What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I have an early sneaker for you guys, and they're right here sitting on the desk. As you guys can see, we are kind of like in a different location. I just installed a desk in my room, so you know, the streams, more videos are coming. I still gotta finish some stuff here and there. As you guys can see, there's like an empty wall on my left right here. I need to get some wall art, so if you guys have any recommendations, you know, let me know in the comments below. Obviously it's empty. Only thing is that J. Cole vinyl right there that is signed by him. Shout out to the GOAT. But yeah, 'cause it's kind of echoey in here, and yeah, I need some stuff for the wall, so I still got some things to do. But I just want to make this quick video, quick little review of these shoes that I actually managed to grab early off of the Nike sneakers app. Obviously Nike's still on their BS. They still have the Just Do It tape on the box. So you know, it's holiday season as well, so if they see this, they might take it. So you know, Nike, if someone in Nike is watching this, you know, you might want to change your tape, cause there's gonna be a lot of stealing. So yeah, like I said, these were a shock drop. They released on Friday, and yeah, your boy managed to grab them. So we're gonna open the box real quick. We have the receipt from Nike right here. Not gonna show you that. There's private information. So yeah, these are legit. These are straight from Nike, and we're gonna take a first look at this. I'll say anticipated shoe. A lot of people are gonna go for these for sure. We'll probably sell out. It won't sell out quick, but it'll eventually sell out. And the shoe we're talking about comes in this brown box, black swoosh right there. Box is brown with black and orange hits. Make sure I got my size. Yep, size 9 right there. Bam. If you guys know what shock dropped, then you know. And yeah, these drop December 14th, which is a couple weeks away. When I'm recording this, it's November 20th, so you know, we're pretty early with this review. And we get this card right off the box. It says Air Jordan 11. The Air Jordan 11 is one of the most iconic silhouettes in history of sneakers, period. This season, Jordan Brand celebrates this model by delivering detailed craftsmanship, honoring MJ's first Triple Crown run, period. League MVP, All-Star MVP, Finals MVP. This instant classic will leave you saying it's gotta be the shoes, period. That's what this little card says. If you guys want to pause the video and read it yourselves, you guys can pause the video. That's what the card says, and there's big ass Jumpman logo right there. And then there's nothing on the back of this card, just that. And then now onto the shoes. You get black tissue paper, and bam, we get the shoes. Let me take them out. And here we have it, the Air Jordan 11 Breads. These shoes are beautiful, dog. I ain't gonna lie. These are a classic. It's a classic silhouette, and this colorway is a classic colorway as well. If you guys don't know what these are the Bread 11s, finally re-releasing. And this time they are re-releasing in the OG. Pretty much everything is OG all. The first pair of Bread 11s came out in 1996, which I wasn't even born yet. I was born in 1997, and they came with the same box that these come with. So this 2019 pair, they try to do OG everything, and the 96 pair actually had the high top patent leather, which a lot of people didn't like with the Space Jams and the Concords, but that's how the OGs were for the Bread 11s. And yeah, and then they had another pair, 2001, which looked a little bit different because the 2001 pair didn't have the high patent leather, and it came in this silver face box. If you guys know, you know. They came out again in 2008 with the countdown pack. That was a pack with the Bred 11s and the pair of the Jordan 12s. If you guys know, you know. Then they came out with another pair in 2012, which came in this black box with the Jordan Jumpman on it, and it had that little red cover, if you know what I mean. Remember when it has that like little red cover with the XI on it? OGs know. If you know, you know. And now in 2019, we are here with the Bred 11s with everything OGL pretty much. High patent leather with the white piping on the leather. I don't know if you guys can see this. You can kind of see it. There's like white piping when they cut the leather. The 96 pair came in this box, which is dope. And yeah, man, this is just a classic shoe right here. One thing I kind of don't like is that 23 back there is not stitched. It's actually just printed on. So obviously, when you wear these, this will eventually come off, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. You do have your red Jumpman logo right there. Bang, stitched right in there into that leather. You have the Anaconda black laces. Obviously your tongue is this like mesh type material. I don't even know. I think it is mesh. I don't even know. I'm not an expert. I just buy shoes, you know. And obviously your black patent leather all around the whole shoe, from toe all the way to the back. The whole little 360 right there is nice and shiny. White midsole, and then your red bottoms. You have a little Jumpman right there. It's kind of see-through. You kind of see it. Obviously your carbon fiber, and then the black little pods on the bottom. And yeah, man, this is just a classic dope colorway, dope shoe. I just remember when I was getting into shoes back in the day. I remember seeing the 2012 pairs everywhere. Like, this was everybody's grail back in the day, and now they're re-releasing in the 1996 OG form, which is dope. And yeah, these just look so nice in person, man. I'm glad I copped these early, and I don't know, I might have to go for a second pair when they come out on December 14th. Retail on these were $220. They're still going to be $220 when they come out on December 14th. And yeah, if you guys know, you know, pick these up. Definitely, I'm glad I copped these. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Quick little review, early review of the Bred 11s that are coming out December 14th. If you guys want to cop, make sure to download the Nike Sneakers app and check out the foot sites online. They're probably gonna drop in everywhere pretty much. It should be an easy shoe to grab if you want. If you want these, make sure to do your work. Check out your local sneaker shops. You should be able to get them. And yeah, I might have to go for another pair. Gotta double up on these. This is just a beautiful colorway. But yeah, that's gonna be it. I'm gonna wrap it up. If you guys liked, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos like this in the future. More streams coming soon. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.